Going over the section one more time. So we were finished with the floor plan. We copied the floor plan without the construction lines and the detailing and the dimensioning and rotated in the direction of the arrow of the section cut line. Cut the floor plan where the section cut line was. First, we brought up the two walls, this wall and the other wall. Then, one step at a time, brought up the window, brought up the fireplace information, the overhang represented by the dashed line, and completed it. When we were doing our process work, we were concerned with the height of 12 feet 8 and 8 foot 8, which is this point. We established that. And then when we did the actual final product, I'm just going to take this line and hide the category, which then cleans it up. You can see how each wall was brought down, and I see the wing wall from the area behind. The overhang was pulled down by the dashed line. We established the height of 12 feet 8, 8 feet 8, connected the dots, we established the slope of the roof. I need a couple more critical dimensions from there to there and here. And so we then went 1 foot offset and 1 foot 6 offset to get this. We went over 10 feet over, 2 feet up. We got the fireplace. That's the code, so we don't need to plug it into this dimension. This is what we need for the dimension. Even this information is really not necessary because it's part of the table. These are the core information that you need to plug in for your dimensioning process. And that's good enough once you're done with the floor plan. We are now ready to construct the elevation. We're going to construct the elevation right over here.